In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and pick Files to add an audio one. Now you need to look for it by using one of those apps, hitting Audio at the top, or selecting those three lines at the top left corner and accessing one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Tap on your video over here if it's recent, and if it's not, select Folders to look for it here. When you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!